Hi everyone, today, I'm excited to introduce MoodMirror, an AI-powered emotion recognition app I created as part of the Kaggle 5-day AI intensive. MoodMirror uses real-time facial analysis to understand how you feel. Whether you're happy, sad, surprised, angry, or neutral, the system instantly identifies your emotion and gives clear visual feedback. The goal is simple, to make emotional well-being more accessible through modern AI. Under the hood, MoodMirror is built with Python, Streamlit, OpenGL, and a TensorFlow neural network trained on diverse emotion datasets. The app captures a frame, preprocesses it, runs it through the model, and returns an emotion prediction, all within a fraction of a second. This technology opens the door to smarter mental health tools, interactive agents, digital concierges, and even AI-enhanced smart mirrors, making everyday experiences more empathetic and responsive. If you'd like to explore it yourself, the app is live.